pictures on Pinterest and I got influenced. Anyway, so this morning I promised myself that I'm gonna exfoliate my face because I've been thinking about it, and I think to get things done by yourself, you should know yourself first. Like, oh, it's burning. Aha, paha, baha. AHA, PHA, and BHA. Never really irritated my skin, but I think my skin barrier has been hampered. That's why it's burning. Oh my god! I don't know if it's a good sign. Yeah, I should keep a timer because it's really important to, keep this thing for 10 minutes. Your girl will glow. Like, she'll glow. Also, I'm so happy that I finished one book which I've already told. I mean, you guys know about that book. The next book that I'm gonna start reading is this. It ends with us. Colon. Like, I've heard so much about this book that I had to. So yeah. Again, easily influenced. So yeah. Next read. Good night. Okay, so here's the thing. I love how she loves hanging clothes. I mean, I'm gonna miss this. So yeah, I was sleepy. I'm so sorry. What am I saying? Okay, I was sleepy and I was sleeping, but I couldn't sleep because I have so many things. Oh my god, I got so scared. I tried for 1 hour, but I gave up. I mean, I couldn't sleep before, fixing all my shit. So I think I will do that, or else I'll sleep with a guilt, which I don't wanna do at this moment. So I'm not even kidding. I can't see. Oh, I can't see from a distance. Like, it's so blurred. It's really very sad.
What happened?
I can't see without glasses these days.
Day by day become blind.
Yeah. No, she's laughing. She's a bully. It's 11 p.m. and I couldn't sleep because I didn't do my workout. This sounds weird, but yeah, that's the. So I'll do my workout now. It's just 8 minutes, so I'm gonna do it. 8 मिनट में क्या होगा बस. That we met, and we didn't know that there was a chain over there. So,
but I think it will soon.
oh yes.
I spent 1 hour.
Oh my god, not 1 hour. Okay, she spent her entire day to make that. And when I came back, she was just laying down casually.
I didn't got like single good pictures with this.
Wow. So how is it inspired? We want to know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it is inspired.
Yes, it is inspired.
Okay.
I am not creative at all. So where is it? So I was scrolling through Instagram and I
I hope you guys can hear me because we don't have mic.
I inspired, but I don't look like her at all.
Like she looks better. And that's Shubhangi. Hey, cutie pie. She's the cutest girl in this whole campus. Please hit her up. So we're finally here and
कौन सा कलर लगा है? Black, dark brown. नहीं, कौन से कंपनी का है? Garnier.
the hair that I got because of auto. देख Shubhangi कितनी प्यारी है मेरी बच्ची.
मुझे आपको देख के मुझ पे मैं कैसे देखती हूँ?
दूंगी एक अभी छाप पर. I'm just gonna fix my hair and just because your girl loves auto. Just imagine अगर ऐसा छोटा होगा ना, छोटी लगूंगी ना लेकिन comparatively
नहीं.
Abs are popping. Allah.
वो वाले ने मुझे डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया कीमोथेरेपी वार्ड वाले बिकॉज मैं दूसरी वार्ड की हूँ.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
We are happy and it's really rare of us going out with like someone other than just Jumir and I.
And today we had our fan Kimo fan.
Say hi.
Cutest.
We are out and about.
Go. Dorabji.
And like I was bullied by these two. They bullied me.
Why?
Because they said my hair hair is too straight. It's not just straight, it's like really very straight. So we are done with Jumir, Samyang and my tak. I love tak. It's a weird obsession that I developed. I don't know. So we'll go back. Chal. Cute girls. I should clean my camera. We are back. क्या करना चाहते हो? Very emotional support.